The superior thread holder is an innovative notion designed for proper thread delivery for both spools and cones. Thread delivery defines the way the thread comes off the spool or cone. Depending on the way thread is wound, there is a specific way thread should unwind from cones and spools. A stack wound thread is wound from the bottom to the top, and it is meant to come off the spool in the same manner. See from our ribbon example how the thread unwinds, as it should, from off the side. When a stack wound spool is unwound end over end, there is an extra twist added to the thread with each revolution. Some cones are cross-wound and are meant to wind from bottom to top. If a cone is unwound from off the side, there is a lot of extra tension and drag, which increases the likelihood of breakage and bad stitches. Since many home machines do not have vertical spool holders, we created the superior thread holder. Using the thread holder with spools. Place the thread holder to the right of your machine. Unscrew the pin from the base and screw it into the front-facing thread hole. Don't over-tighten. It just needs to be snug. Once the pin is screwed in, load your spool and place the spool cap on. Leave a little gap between the spool and the spool cap. Thread through the top hole and swing arm, and then thread your machine like normal. Using the thread holder with cones. Set the cone adapter onto the pin and leave about 1 inch of space from the bottom. Thread through the top hole and the swing arm, and then thread your machine like normal. A benefit to using a cone over a spool is that you save an average of 35% off the cost of thread. The superior thread holder allows you to use cones on any machine. Using the thread holder with bobbins. Insert the bobbin pin adapter into the bottom hole on the back face. Place your bobbin onto the pin and take directly up to the swing arm. Thread your machine like normal. Proper thread delivery is vital to successful sewing. The superior thread holder ensures all your projects run smoothly and turn out beautiful. Get your thread holder today at superiorthreads.com.